Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy stocks and cryptocurrencies on the Investmate learning application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Investmate app after you downloaded it. And when you open it, it's going to open up at the homepage where are all your lessons and quizzes and trading tips. And now you have to go to the middle icon, which is the training tab. And at the training tab here, as you can see, you can invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies or even commodities. Obviously, this is not real money. This is a trading app. So this way you can learn how to trade, and you can perfect your skills before you jump into the real world. So if you want to buy a coin or a stock, you just have to tap on buy. You can set up the amount that you would like to invest and everything. And as you can see from here, it's going to follow in real time the real price of Bitcoin, and you can see how it goes. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.